Hi, my name is Chris Radford and I'm the Director of Infrastructure and Operations for the town of Okotoks. Today, I want to provide information about our critical services of water and wastewater and our actions to sustain the operations during COVID-19. First, I want to assure all residents that the town's water is safe. There's no evidence that coronavirus can be transmitted in drinking water so long as the systems are properly chlorinated. Our system is filtered and chlorinated, and we are adhering to recommended disinfection practices that inactivate viruses that cause COVID-19. Water services staff work every day in a culture of emergency preparedness. They have to be prepared to deliver the services under many challenging circumstances, such as power outages, windstorms, floods, fire, stress water supplies like we experienced here in the summer of 2017, and now a pandemic. I want to reassure the community that we have highly qualified, committed staff to deliver these critical services. Main components of operating utilities are people, power, and chemicals. And we are maintaining open lines of communication and updates with all provincial officials, public health, and environment. Regular communication is occurring with our suppliers and contractors to ensure we are well informed and prepared for any potential disruptions in either supplies or services. And today I want to provide an update to Okotoks community. It's important that we continue to keep you engaged during this unprecedented time. As I mentioned earlier, the utilities rely on the people, and hygiene is always at the forefront, but even more so now. With the human interaction and potential transmission of the virus, we've revised safe work procedures to ensure we protect our people. Staff are constantly reminded of these new protocols, and information is front and center as a constant reminder to practice good hygiene, physical separation at each workspace, each vehicle, and throughout the operation. We've implemented new procedures, distancing and changing our practice from the regular routines. Alternative schedules have been drafted in the event our staffing members are reduced. We have multiple certified operators that are qualified to operate and maintain our water treatment plant and our wastewater treatment plant. We also have staff that are fully qualified and continue to operate and maintain both the water supply delivery network and the wastewater collection network, the pipes, and the pumping stations. At this point, aside from new protocols, we are operating as normal. We receive our power from Fortis, and over the past few years, Fortis has strengthened the resilient power delivery system in and around Okotoks. However, in the event a power interruption occurs, the town facilities are equipped with full backup power, and these generators are ready to go, fueled up at all times. Lastly, I mentioned chemicals. The town has ample chemicals for the wastewater treatment plant, 3-month supply, and there is minimal risk to receiving further supplies. For the water treatment plant, the inventory of chemicals presently ranges from 3 to 12 months. And again, we've been advised from our supplier there's minimal risk of receiving any of the supplies, mainly because 2 of the main products are manufactured here in Alberta. With regard to personal protective equipment for our staff, we have a 3 to 6 month supply and are positioned very well. Our contractor support and communication with them has been great. We have many contractors queued up to support the operation if required. Preliminary discussion with other utility support has also occurred. To sum up, the town is very well prepared and continues to deliver these critical services. I'd also like to take the opportunity to bring up one important issue to everyone's attention. The issue has been ongoing for many, many years, and it's the information about flushable waves. We urge residents to think about what they flush. There's never a good time for a sewer backup, but now at a time when we're being quarantined or self-isolated at home due to COVID-19, nobody wants a situation that would force you out of your home where you are the safest. Our municipal sewer systems are built to handle human waste and toilet paper that is specifically designed to deteriorate quickly. Anything else causes problems that leads to clogs, blockages, and damage to wastewater equipment. Fats, oils, and grease poured down the sink will congeal in the line and line the sewer walls, and then the wipes and paper towels will all form together to form clogs. This can block your toilet, your home sewer line, or perhaps even the neighborhood sewer. These clogs can also result in overflows of raw sewage, potentially into the river. So to be clear, it doesn't matter if the manufacturer claims the package says it's flushable, it's not. Please only flush toilet paper and do not pour grease down your sink. In closing, I want to repeat, when you turn on your tap, you will have access to safe, reliable drinking water. We've planned for this scenario and we're ready. This essential service will be here when you need it.